Now have a look at the Soundcore H30i wireless on-ear headphones, as you can see just there. And there's the normal Soundcore packaging you get. A bit more about some of the key features we're going to now. And I like the 70 hours playtime here as well. And also the bass up is very interesting. A bit more about what comes in the box there. And a bit more on the back about what comes with it, which we're going to go into shortly. But very interesting here, 70 hours playtime, which is a lot. So yeah, very keen to see how these work. Just going to open up the box and have a look. So again, here we go. So turning around the wrong way then, sorry guys. So there are the headphones to start with. As you can see, don't they look like a nice pair of headphones? You can see how they've got their plastic build, but they still feel a bit flimsy, but I guess that's what you're getting kind of more of the budget range headphones. So what it also comes with, there's an instruction guide just there. And you've also got the USB-C cable here as well to charge it. And you've also got a charger there, like a wired cable, so you can plug in directly, which is really good. So I'm going to move that all to the side. And you've also got your instruction booklet just there as well. So let's go have a closer look at the headphones, see what comes with them. So these to start with, there's the cushioning. Now it feels quite nice. So these sit on the ear rather than over the ear, because you can see the cups are fairly small. Some of the other headphones I've done, the cups have been very, very big. Now you can move in all different directions as well, so it's very easy to pack up if you want to, which is good. The headband's expandable too. Now it feels kind of like a plasticky kind of finish. This feels like kind of like a PLU kind of feel. Now there's a 70 hours battery life in these, which I think is really good. Now you get 4 hours, 5-minute charge will give you 4 hours of playback. There's a Soundcore symbol there. These only weigh 183 grams as well, which is good. They won't get tied on your head. And you've also got the headband there to stop it from getting sore when it's on your head as well. Now, these have 40mm drivers in there. So 40mm drivers generally means you get more of an advanced soundstage with them. So the drivers are oversized, so hopefully it can be a more powerful audio. And you can also do these with the app as well. Soundcore app to do it. They've got a lot of presets in them straight away. And you've also got the controls here. So you can turn it on here by holding that button down. You can change tracks here as well. So you can change tracks, put the volume up, volume down, and move it, and there's the sound there. And it's also got pure bass as well. It gives a bit of a boost to the bass as well when using them. I can't see in here where they actually talked about how they had noise cancellation either. There's nothing about that there. So I don't think it comes with noise cancellation, which would be good to have with these. But there they are just there. It looks like a good set of headphones.